So, my dear friend, I am asking or I am telling about the fake historians of the India, that is Irfan Habib, Romila Thapar. You should know that Romila Thapar is the close relative of Valmiki Thapar, who is the husband of the Sanjana Kapoor, the daughter of the Sasi Kapoor. So these historians and some stupids, Dr. Ram Puniani and some other stupids at the Jogendranath Mandal, who was the scheduled caste from the West Bengal. These stupids do not know all are the sufferer or the Islamic Gunism. As the Prithviraj Kapoor and his son was dragged out from the Peshawar, if they will stating that we are not dragged out from the Peshawar, then you are the great liars, including all the Kapoors and all the peoples which were dragged out from the Pakistan are among the greatest liars, because Islam does not respect any non-Muslim due to the Gunism of the Islam, the Quranic verses of Islam, which is very dangerous to the society. I think how shameless these persons are, which are non-Muslims, or if they are the communists, they are so shameless that the Hindus were dragged out by the Bangladesh and the Pakistan due to the division of the Indian subcontinent as a Darul Harb, means that country which is under the attack on the Muslims up until all the non-Muslim converted to Islam and all the land converted as Darussalam. This is the Gunism of the Islam. Even Chandrasekhar Azad, the chairperson of the Bhim army, does not know ABCD of the Islam. He is certified stupid. And the new Buddhists are the certified stupids and the cunning people. When they are changed their cult or the ideology as a Buddhism, if Buddhism is separated from the Sanatan Vedic Dharma, as they declared, then the stupidity of the justice system of India and the stupidity of all governments, including the